This is an emergency alert, affecting the cities of Wausau, Eau Claire, Milwaukee, Wauwatosa, and Madison in the state of Wisconsin. Please be on the lookout for Mike Elefante, a dude who has nothing better to do rather than to steal girls from people. If you are somebody who has previously had bad encounters with Elefante, you are advised to take shelter and leave the state of Wisconsin as soon as possible. Failure to stay away from him could result in life-threatening consequences. Protect yourself.